Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm in the house with this big boy right over here. I've got the Tashi Bharucha Heatseeker here with me for a maintenance video, but first of all, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel right down here, and let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this big fella over here, made in France, custom knife, liner lock. It is a beautiful knife. Already the action is pretty good. We're gonna try to see if we can improve it. It's pretty nice and snappy. Anyways, let's go ahead and start. You're gonna need a T8 Torx bit screw to take this guy apart, and that is it. So I'm just gonna start tackling the handle like that, gently removing this. That's a pretty deep screw right over here, and then you got to take down the other screw for the carbon fiber scale, and that's gonna be it. Actually, let's just put them like that, and let's see if this guy wants to come off nicely. There's some oil. We're gonna clean that up in a second. There's a couple screws here. Let's just do this first. Here you go. And I'm thinking, should I do this first or the blade first? Let's do the frame. So this probably, it's not a T8. Yeah, it is going to be a T6. Let's see if it's a T6. Here you go. And let's do this. Starting from here and gently. Here you go. This is done nicely, and this is out, and the second one is out as well. Wow, guys, the tolerances are nuts on this one. This is very, very well done, guys. I'm thinking now I got to remove the bolster, and let's do it. And this is coming out, so the bolster is gonna go, bolster screw, sorry, is gonna go right over here in order. Probably this will be able to move now. No, it looks like it's keyed in. So actually, now we're gonna need still the T8 for the pivot screw, which is probably spinning, right? Yeah. It is indeed spinning, not a problem. We're gonna grab another T8 over here, and let's do it like this from this side, holding it tight, and from this side just unscrewing it and hold everything nicely together. Take your time, make sure that everything doesn't move. You don't want to scratch anything in this situation. There you go, just very gently, take your time, unscrew the pivot like that, and this guy wants to come out like so. So that is done. Release the tension. Probably we can remove the bolster, which is not keyed in actually. All right, just stay there, no problem whatsoever. Reduce the tension by opening up the blade. And I think we should be able to take this scale off. So let's do it gently. Yeah, this is coming apart. There's just pins. So maybe it's just like tight tolerances. I don't want to scratch anything here. So I might want to use this guy to pry a little bit in between. That is interesting actually, guys. So this is here. really doesn't want to come out. It's okay, let's not force anything. Let's try to understand what is going on. So maybe we can pry it out a little bit. No, doesn't really want to come apart. That is very interesting. All right, let's try the old push the pivot outside. Yeah, that's gonna do the trick. Wow, very, very interesting. So that's the liner, that's my hair. Okay. This is the blade. And that's everything else. Pretty cool piece of zirconium, guys, going on over here. Nice and blasted in a beautiful way. Let's put it right over here. Let's clean this back spacer, which is zirc as well. Very nicely done. Titanium liners, pretty thick slabs of titanium. You can remove the bearing. Clean everything around here. Nice ceramic detent ball. Very well made, I have to say. Look at that. Nice and precise. And now it's pretty clean. Just not gonna remove everything because there's no need for that. Just cleaning up both sides of the titanium liner. Like so, and now this is done as well. A little bit of rubbing alcohol here to clean up the bearings as well, like so. That is one. Let's also clean the tang of the blade. Yeah, the bearing track, and that is done, and also the second bearing is clean. There you go, done. Let's go and put everything back together. You got the blade, look at that, nice detent ball ramp. You can appreciate in this CPM 154 steel. And we're gonna use a little bit of 10 weight nano oil for this bearings 1, 2, 3, and just a little bit here on the pivot. Blade is in, correct? Yeah. Wow, this is tight. Very nice, guys. I really like it. Then we're gonna need another bearing right over there, and we're gonna need another couple drops of 10 weight. You know what? I'm just gonna do a drop of 10 weight also on the detent ball right there. That is done. Let's put together the liner like so. And then we're gonna use the T6 to put together like that. Let's reduce the tension like so. Just keep it pinched. So this guy is going here. This guy is going there. Here you go. And now just screwing that in. Not too much, just the right amount, so you don't mar anything and everything is still well put together and not going anywhere. So that is fine, that is done. And now we need probably we can do, actually let's do the bolster first. Like so. I didn't clean that very well, so let's just go and do like a thorough cleaning. Here you go. And that is in like so. And this is your pivot screw going in like that. And we're gonna do also the second screw I think actually we can at this point close the blade. Yeah, it's not touching the side, so that is fine. And now we can do this screw for the bolster. Oops, which is in place like so. And that is gonna go in like that. So very good. We can just do yeah, of course it's spinning. We're gonna do it in a second moment. Just putting together this scale right here first. This is in. It's a beautiful custom, guys. Very, very well made, I have to say. Nice, nicely put together. Very, very precise machining for this handmade knife, guys. Look at that. This is pretty flush. So let's just do the scale just a little bit more like that, and the bolster like so. And let's grab the second. Actually, let's do it like that. Exactly. And this guy is in. There you go. Blade looks centered. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, now you see what I'm talking about. Now the action is just perfection. No blade play. Drop shot. It is pretty pleasant. What do you guys think? I don't know. Is it a nice action or what? Gorgeous. So, there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.